Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to enable this face tracking on Roblox. So if you want to get this face tracking on Roblox, just follow me in this video. What if you don't get this feature yet, how can you fix it? And so just follow me in the video till the end. So let me turn off this mic. So guys, what you need to do, you have to go open a browser first of all. Once you open a browser, just type roblox.com. And in Roblox, we have to go to settings. In setting, we have to go to setting again, settings. In setting, first of all, you have to make sure that you have verified your age. Now you have to go to privacy. In privacy, you have to scroll down and make sure that you enable this microphone input from here. In privacy, you have to make sure that you have enabled this microphone input. To enable it, just tap on the click on this toggle button and your microphone will be enabled. Now, once you enabled and now you just need to go to any game that supports camera and microphone as communication. So like, let me open this, my Please Donate. And in Please Donate, if you scroll down, you will see that this this game supports microphone and camera. So face tracking works on such games which support these two permissions. And once you make confirm that this game is confirmed, just need to play this game. And in game itself, you can enable the face tracking on Roblox. So let me open this game again. Back to Roblox icon. This Roblox icon. This. So I have to close this. Yeah. So once you enable, just click on it and just click on this mic and face cam. As you can see, let me. Now you can see that it's tracking with my voice and also tracking with the face itself. So you have to enable the camera if you are using a mobile by going into the app settings. And so the both on mobile and the PC, it's same. You just need to enable the microphone. And if you haven't, guys, if you want to enable the microphone, make sure you have verify your age. And to verify your age, you have to upload your government issued ID and a selfie to verify. And once you verify, this microphone input will be automatically enabled in privacy of section. You just need to enable it. And this red dot shows that your microphone is being using fine. So yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.